agangatangin neselomunit kotoma pak nada ipudar ekilabolo Olila agangata kanu aingara kinit Aboliak ayaitonu Aboliak show ko Olila High School Francis Okongel ngesabu Islamik Fahab kanu aitolomun agangat kotoma pak.
We appreciate and wish that if there are quite a number of people like you could be support such project, it would be good for our younger generation. So we've been having people coming in, maybe once in a while they buy water for the players, maybe someone buys a shoe for one of the players. That is how we have been benefiting from the community.
Helen Elaite amane jana ko Fahab ko ibuga soroti ngesa balebe aina peta ngun kesida epote kesi ayata kit alosit akonye.
Inviting us to do something small for the group, for the team. My director was saying, where is the place? Olila. But I think he's also been included in the group. I think the team has a group that they always chat with. So he said, Olila, yeah. Then we gave him the letter. He said, okay. There was a lot of lists, but he said, let us first give them this for the start. We also have a team called Fahab Energy. We do some sporting down there in Morapesu. We have the juniors and the elders. But he said, let's do in partnership. So he invited me, told me, for the second year, he has also crossed the other side in Morapesu. Say, you deliver those things. Next time, he will be the only one to come here. And he's promising for people jazzes. I think after 2 weeks.
Patricia Apio, a captain na Olila Women's Football Club. Yesi elepit iliyongetalu egitigita alomun kosorete Egang amunyetena angor.
So grateful to receive these wonderful gifts from you. We pray that may the Almighty bless you and continue providing so that you can give more and more to Olila. Not only to Olila, but also others. So I would love to encourage my players that let's just work hard. People are coming to support us. Let's show them that we are ready and we are capable of making it perfect.
Olila Women's Football Club lu ebwekinto steso koto mamunyete na kafufa Women's Super League kes ejasi na katonya koibuga lo soroti ija ikinayinerke kwape etegearan ekilab lo Olila Women's Football Club Deo Gracious Olila ngisda ejaiput itungalu egelegela alomun kosorete aijar ekilabu ngol Gabriel Esiku Kanuka TV East koibuga soroti.